Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Roy again here with another pro tip for you. This pro tip centered around working soft materials like copper and pretty much any type of forge work. You could apply this method of thinking, if you will, or this logic to. So this logic is a fairly simple logic, and it's basically centered around removing the scale off the material so you can see what is happening to the surface finish as you progress into the final stages of forging. So in this particular piece, I've got a lot of texture to put in this bowl, but before I put in that texture, I wanted to take and remove any scale off of this surface finish, so this way I can see where I have little areas that need to be fixed. Because if you put texture over these areas, you just drive them deeper and then you can never finish them out, especially if you're doing any sort of polished work. So I wanted to take and remove the scale off of here, and you can see areas that have like nicks and dings and just general surface marks that aren't any good for doing a completely polished piece. So just to give you an example by contrast, here's something that has scale on it first. Now I could, as you can tell, let me back this out just a bit. See if I can back it out a little bit. There we go. As you can tell here, you can't really see a whole lot of what's going on in this bowl because it's a lot like camouflage. So it's just camouflaging all the imperfections in this bowl. This bowl here looked exactly like this bowl here before I remove the scale off of the actual piece itself, or oxidization if you will. And so as you can see, it looks perfectly fine. You put in your texture, you go to clean it up, and then you find out that you have areas in it now that you can't get out anymore. You find that you have all sorts of areas. Let me zoom you in. Try to refocus you here. Hopefully I can see that. So there you go. You guys can see there, again, you've got all these imperfections now that are in the surface finish that you're going to have to clean out. Now, this isn't so critical on stuff that is on work that is not high degree of finish work. So for example, something in like steel, like this door pole here. This may be perfectly okay to leave in some dings and nicks and things like that in the final finish because they'll never be noticed, right? Like on the backside and stuff. This would look really weird being completely polished, as where this looks a lot better being completely polished and shiny. So that's just some food for thought for you. Again, that's just a little pro tip. Get rid of that covering, that masking off of that surface finish, and really see what you're working with and how well you have done, and that will help not only the quality but the character of your work improve. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a like, and if you're interested in supporting this channel, check out all the great blacksmithing documents and e-courses that we have online around the subject of blacksmithing over at our website, blacksmithpdfs.com. As always, they'll be down in the description down below. And once again, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.